Yo, we're on our way for a little swim at Karekare Waterfalls, which is located in West Auckland. But first, we thought we'd stop by Grown Up Donuts, which is on the way, and grab a couple of donuts. I got a vanilla, which is the most popular, and a raspberry cheesecake. Then I popped into the bakery next door for something savory. Hi. Can I get these two, please? Oh, yeah. It was I didn't know if you wanted to be on camera or not. Right. I went into the bakery and I was grabbing a sandwich and a drink, and I was just filming myself. I didn't want to film the lady behind the bar, but when I looked up, no, I'm not filming you, it's okay. But when I looked up, I saw you going like this, and I was like, oh, I didn't realize you were ready to be a star. And the camera was still faced on me, and I was like, oh, whoa, didn't realize you were ready. Sorry. And she started cracking up and walked around the corner. Anyway, we're on our way to Karekare Waterfalls. Gonna go have a little swim. Luka and my brother Riz, Vani 1 year away as well. So we're gonna try out this donut. That's not bad. I like it. Hila's gonna give it a taste in the back. Hila, I give that one a 6.5 out of 10. Like, it's not bad, but I'm curious to hear how you rate it. So we're currently going through the Waitakere ranges, heading towards Karekare. And an interesting thing about the word Waitakere is that in Tongan, the word takele or takere is the honorific term or the chiefly term for bathing or to having a bath. So having a bath in Tongan, you just usually say kaukau, alo kaukau, to tell someone to go have a bath. But if you're speaking to someone of nobility or of royalty, you would use honorific language or like the chiefly language to elevate your speech when you're addressing them, to acknowledge their rank, their chiefliness, or their royalty. So then, rather than say, you wouldn't even say alo kaukau to someone like that, like that's a command. But if you're referring to having a bath, you would talk about takere instead of kaukau. So then, thinking about this area, Waitakere, actually let me double check, because takere in Māori I think is the same thing. There's a word for bath, let's just check. Meanwhile, man, look how beautiful it is out here. Honestly. So pretty, but this road is so narrow. But yeah, Waitakere. So then thinking about the Tongan translation of Waitakere or Waitakere, it would be a reference to the waters where you bathe. So it's really interesting.
Wait, this is a historical moment.
Why is this a historical moment? Because why?
Wait, no, I need to go from the front.
What's bro up to?
I'm on number 1.
Quick little break. Almost at the waterfall, but just pulling up to take care of some business. But look at that view. Look at that view. Yay!
Hey, yeah. Okay.
We literally just pulled out. Yeah, that should be all good. If you move forward a bit more. Hi, Luka.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
You guys need to open the. Can you open the boot for me?
That's fine. Yeah. Hey.
Even I can't open
Where's those other guys?
No, they're not coming. It's just us.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Just us. A beautiful big ridge. Big cliffside up there. The awa.
Reception? I'll just have like a little reception. Dip. I'll have my smoke.
Got a little bit.
I'll just look around.
Look at that. Absolutely blue skies. One little cloud over there. We call that tawhitonga, which means it's a clear blue sky in Tongan. Oh,
Can you see the girl?
see the waterfall just right there. Sick. You ready for a swim? Are you just waking up?
Okay.
Wait, you want to wait for that? Okay, you go down. You go down. I'll come down. Lead the way, Luka. Oh, wow.
Where? Go pull this thing.
Yeah, no, just leave it, Luka.
Ah. Oh, you see that waterfall?
Yeah, it's like a mini waterfall, eh?
Yeah.
Should we go have a look?
Oh,
Careful.
the waterfall.
I think that's not the main waterfall.
Look, there's a big giant thing.
What is it?
A pond?
A pond.
Yeah.
And up there.
Ah, it's beautiful, eh? Would you want to go swimming there? Yeah, that looks fun.
Yeah.
But I think we got to carry on to the main waterfall.
Okay.
Okay? You go, bud. I think this is Karekare. Hila, do you know if this is Karekare?
Yeah, I think it is. Because of the shape in the caterpillar bite.
Yeah.
They
Take
say-
a bit off and bite it and see if it's peppery.
They say that the leaves with the most holes in it are the best to eat.
Is it peppery?
Yeah, it is.
You want to try it, Luka?
Super leaf. Go. Oh, Luka, you gonna try some? You go, Luka. You just break a little bit off.
No, don't.
Oh, yeah. Where?
No, I'm going for the highest one. You gonna try some?
Oh, yeah.
Surely. Breaking the whole tree. Just a little bit. Yeah, it's raw peppery.
I don't know. I don't want to eat it.
All good.
Is it a pepper?
I think it's a Karekare.
Oh, true.
I said the bigger one.
Relative of the cover.
That one's like,
I think it might be cousins with the cover tree.
yeah.
Or pepper plants. Let's have a little taste. Taste. Tastes good.
There's water in there. I need more water.
We're gonna fill it up at the waterfall, Luka.
I have no lid.
Hey?
I have no lid.
Oh, that's okay. Don't need a lid. Because we'll just fill it up constantly in the waterfall.
You've been to Samoa and you saw that waterfall, eh?
What's that, Luka?
You are at Samoa and you saw that waterfall, eh?
In Samoa? Yeah, I did see the waterfall in Samoa. It was so cool. You're going to Samoa, eh, Luka? When are you going?
3 more weeks.
3 more weeks? So you're going tomorrow?
3.
Funny. Is Luka going in 3 weeks? Oh, 3 days. 3 days,
3
surely.
days.
Are you looking forward to it? Are you excited to go to Samoa, Luka?
Yeah.
Can you say something in Samoan? Can you do your introduction? Oailo ingoa. Luka, you want to do it? Oailo ingoa. No? It's all good, bud.
Can you turn at that tree?
I almost walked into the tree. Look at this tree.
Like I can touch it.
Go.
Ah!
Yeah, nice one. Yo, here's a waterfall. Holy cow.
Well, that's it.
Yeah.
Enough.
Gee, that is beautiful. Bag's not jumping off the top. You could probably try to climb up to some of the rocks on the wall there. Oh, careful, bud. You okay? Straight in, Docs. You ready to jump in, Luka? Luka, are these your togs? Are these your togs? You have to get changed? Alright.
Seaweed. Seaweed, man. Seaweed.
Yeah, seaweed, eh? It's like moss. Hey? Come get changed, Luka. Come get changed. Alright, let's all sit up.
Mandy, could you pass that black bag with the...
Alright. That didn't really feel like a 5-minute walk, eh? That was a bit quicker than 5 minutes, I reckon.
Yes, please. Man, it is so beautiful.
Yeah, that...
It looks like an AI thing.
The color too,
Wait, careful.
Oh man,
You okay?
how old are you?
Surely. You gonna jump in?
Nah, probably not.
Just gonna...
This is so, genuinely, it's so cold.
You get used to it, I reckon. Throw it, Luka.
Huh?
Throw it. Throw it away.
Okay, okay.
There was a group of boys who were just here before, but they've all just left. They came down at the same time as us, and it's empty now, no one here.
I saw that. I can do my water gun, man.
How's the water, Luka?
Huh?
How's the water?
Cold.
It's cold, eh? Good old Waitakere waters.
Dad, are you shoes on?
Yeah, I got my shoes on.
I got my shoes on.
My protective safety boots.
Do you think there's like eels in this water because there's nothing?
Nah, there's definitely no eels at all. But I tell you what, these Crocs are amazing in the water.
I can't take in the water.
No, my Crocs, my shoes. And there's the waterfall up there.
Is it rocky all the way?
Yeah. Yeah, I can feel the rocks down here. We in.
Yeah, ready?
I don't know if I'm gonna tip my head, but yeah, it's coming. Surely. Hello, you guys gonna do it? Oh my!
And they were like coming around it.
That was dry, eh?
What are you guys doing? Where's my shoes?
Where's your shoes?
I don't know.
Let's go eat.
Are you loud one time and then just...
Yeah, buddy.
It's okay if you're not the one for me from God, but we can still get out. Life is a shaking hard at the knees, beg your pardon. And it was kinda hard to believe, love at first sight, but my eyes were hardly deceived. You're the target. Cupid put the star on my dreams on the third and the never.
All of them have kawa.
Paul.
Our neighbour, Paul. I'm sure you can just buy kawa.
Tower.
Have a kawa, mate, like kawabunga. Oh, that was a nice little swim at the waterfall. The water was kind of nasty, actually. Lots of seaweed, murky. Might be my last time swimming there. Luka, what did you think about swimming at the waterfall?
Eel.
Eel.
Is that what you thought about it, Luka?
What did you think, Luka?
Huh?
Was it a good swim or not?
Huh?
Did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy the waterfall? Beautiful little river down here. What's up, big bro? There's a waterfall in the distance there. Yeah, that's definitely not a 5-minute walk.
What, 4-minute walk?
Yeah, maybe 4 minutes. Did you get me?
Oh my god, I really thought about this.
Okay. So Luka, I think we'll be saying goodbye to you for the next 2 weeks, I think. How long is this guy away for? Oh. Careful, Luka.
Come on, everybody, look on. You're not going to see them for.
Have fun in Samoa.
Come on, here.
See you.
Bye, Luka.
Bye.
Love you.
I'll see you in the morning.
Yo, that's us.
Bye, guys. See you guys soon.
Bye.
Oh, we can't go here.
Gonna be fishing in the morning, so catch you in the morning.
You should see. Yeah, you should see.
Over on that side is Piha Beach, one of the more dangerous beaches of Auckland. Strong undercurrents, strong undercurrents, big waves, lots of rips. Gotta be careful out there. Anyway, that's us from the Karekare Waterfalls. Thanks for tuning in. Later, bro.